Hello. In this video, I would like to talk about abilities as they relate to having a severe disability. Now, humans have many different kinds of abilities which help us perform all the activities of daily living. This ranges from our ability to sense everything around us and also the different types of intelligences humans have. Now, I would like to talk about just a few of the senses the human body has and just a few of the different types of intelligences humans possess. The two major senses I would like to talk about are vision and hearing. Now, if you have a disability, it is likely that one of these two senses is damaged. If this is the case, then it may be hard for you to identify something that is not greatly impacted by this disability. However, it is likely that if one of your senses is damaged, the other senses are heightened. This is a way the body adapts to try to minimize the negative effects of your loss of sense. Now, this is greatly seen when somebody is vision impaired. If they're vision impaired, it is likely that their hearing is very good. Also, if someone is hearing impaired, it is likely that their vision is very good. Now, if we were to think about this more conceptually, we can talk about the different types of intelligences. There are many different types of intelligences, but there are about 3 or 4 that I would like to discuss in this video. They are the logical intelligences, the spatial intelligences, the interpersonal intelligences, and the auditory intelligences. Now, the logical intelligences is basically the science intelligences. It is trying to determine how things in the world relate to one another. The spatial intelligence is how well you see the world in its three-dimensional aspects. How well you see objects relating to one another in space. Now, the auditory intelligence is how well you pick up different sounds. Some people are very good at this, others are not. The interpersonal intelligence is how well you can communicate with other people, how well you can understand what those people are feeling. Now, all of these intelligences are very important because they make up what a human is good at. Now, if we can put together the types of intelligences someone has and the senses that they have that are enhanced, even with a disability, we can come to understand what they may be best at. Maybe with a counselor or just a close person in your life, you can come to see that we can fit all that you're good at, all your strengths and weaknesses, into maybe a job task. Maybe there is a job that you can perform at a high enough speed and with enough efficiency and effectiveness to be a greatly valued member of society. This is not out of the question. It is just a matter of putting your intelligences and your senses to the best possible use.